Good morning, students. This video session is for class 2nd students. Subject Reasoning. Chapter number 19. And the name of the chapter is Time. This is our lecture number 4. Today we will learn about leap year. Beta, in our last video lecture, I have told you about ordinary year, and today we will learn about leap year. Okay. So, a year in which one extra day is there than an ordinary year is called leap year. ठीक है बेटा, ordinary year से जब एक दिन extra आ जाता है year के अंदर तो वो क्या कहलाता है? leap year कहलाता है. There are 366 days in a leap year. I told you earlier that in an ordinary year there are 365 days, and one extra day, when we add 1 to 365, it becomes 366. So when there are 366 days, that year is called a leap year. Okay. Leap year comes after every 4 years. Leap year जो है बेटा हर 4 years के बाद आता है. Okay. The year divisible by 4 is called a leap year. तो ऐसा year जो 4 से पूरा डिवाइड होता है वो year जो है वो leap year कहलाता है. The number of days in February month depends on the type of year as follows. ठीक है, जो February month के days होते हैं वो किस पे डिपेंड करते हैं? टाइप ऑफ ईयर पे. इफ in an ordinary year February month has 28 days. Okay, ordinary year में February month में 28 days होते हैं, and in leap year February month has 29 days और February month में leap year में 29 days होते हैं. जो ये one extra day होता है ये हमारा कौन से month में add हो जाता है? February month में. Understood बेटा? Now we can see that the particular year is a leap year or not. We can learn it with the help of a calendar. If in February month there are 29 days, then the year is leap year. Okay, so here 2020 is a leap year. Okay, and if there are 28 days in February month, then that year is a ordinary year. Understood, beta? Now beta, tips to know that a particular year is divisible by 4 or not divisible by 4. Okay. So what are the rules behind it कि कोई number जो है वो 4 से divide होगा या नहीं होगा? Because if the number is divisible by 4 then it is a leap year, and if it is not divisible by 4 then it is an ordinary year. Okay. So let's see. If the last two digits of a number or a year is divisible by 4 or the last two digits are 00 like this, ठीक है, then that year is divisible by 4. अगर हमारा जो पूरा year हमें given है वो जो 4 digits का होता है, ठीक है, तो उसमें से अगर लास्ट 2 digits जो हैं वो 4 से डिवाइड हो जाते हैं पूरे then that number is divisible by 4. और अगर वो नहीं होते हैं हमारे पास रिमाइंडर बच जाता है then that number is not divisible by 4. Like if after dividing there is a remainder then that year is not divisible by 4. Okay, and if after dividing there is no remainder, अगर कोई remainder नहीं होता then that year is divisible by 4. Understood? Now example number 1. The year 2024 will be dash. A leap year, number B option, and ordinary year. So now beta we have to tell that 2024 will be a leap year or an ordinary year. So what we will do, let's do it solution. So here in the year 2024 last two digits are 24. These are the last two digits that are 24. Okay, so we know that 24 comes in the table of 4. Now we have to divide it by 4 now, and we know that 24 comes in the table of 4. So 2024 will be a leap year. ठीक है, क्योंकि ये पूरा पूरा डिवाइड हो रहा है इसलिए 2024 भी पूरा पूरा डिवाइड होगा. So 2024 will be a leap year. Okay, so our answer is option number A is correct. Understood? Now example number 2. The year 2025 will be dash. So here options are a leap year and B option is an ordinary year. Okay. So here solution. So here again in 2025 last two digits are 25. Okay, and we know that 25 not comes in the table of 4. ये हमारा 4 की टेबल में नहीं आता. ठीक है, तो हमारा रिमाइंडर बच जाएगा इसमें. So 2025 will be an ordinary year. तो हमारा 2025 जो year आएगा वो हमारा ordinary year होगा. Understood? So answer is option number B is correct. Okay. Now example number 3. The year 1996 was dash. Here again we have two options. A leap year, and in option number B an ordinary year. Okay, so let's start at solution. So in 1996 the last two digits are 96, so we will divide it by 4 to know that this year is a leap year or an ordinary year. So let's write 96 at dividend place. Here we will write 96 and now we have to divide it by 4. So but I am going to tell you this division when the tens place digit is greater than the divisor. How we can solve this question? So here because 9 is greater than 4, so here we will write table of 4 till we get the greater number than 9. Okay, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. So we cannot write 12 below 9. So we will cut this number and we will write 8 below 9 like this. Okay, and at which place 8 comes? 2. So here we will write 2 at quotient place. Now we will subtract. 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. So here we will write 1. Now we will take the 6 here. Okay, like this. Now the number is 16 and we know that 16 comes in the table of 4 at which place? At number 4. So here we will write 16 below 16 and here at quotient place we will write 4 also. Okay, now we will subtract. So 6 minus 6 is equal to 0 and 1 minus 1 is also equal to 0. So here 24 is the quotient and remainder is 0. So when the remainder is 0, then the year is a leap year. So here in 1996 again remainder is 0. So it was a leap year. So option number A is correct. Understood beta? Now today's homework, fill in the blanks. Question number 1. The year 2028 will be dash. A leap year or an ordinary year. Now question number 2. The year 2021 will be dash. Leap year or an ordinary year. Okay. Question number 3. The year 2032 will be dash. A leap year, B an ordinary year. Okay, so you need to do it beta and then you have to write the correct answer. Now question number 4. The year 2039 will be dash. Again we have two options. In option A, a leap year, and in option B, an ordinary year. Okay. Now question number 5. The year 1994 was dash. So here again we have two options, a leap year and B option, an ordinary year. So you need to solve, okay, and then you have to write the correct Now, homework solution of chapter number 19, time, lecture number 3. Yes, beta, I have given you sums related to months, days. So here in question number 1, it was given how many days are there in the month of June. And we have 4 options: A 31 days, B 30 days, C 366 days, and D 365 days. So here you can see that option number C and D are incorrect, है ना? Because we have to write the month days. Okay, so here we have to make a fist like this, and now we will count, and if our month name is at upper impression, then there are 31 days, and if it is at lower impression, then there are 30 days. So let's start counting: January, February, March, April, May, June. So here you can see June is at lower impression, so there are 30 days in June month. Okay, so option number B is correct, 30 days. Understood, beta? Now, question number 2. How many days are there in the month of February in an ordinary year? ठीक है, February month में हमारे ordinary year में कितने days होते हैं? A 31 days, B 29 days, C 28 days, and D 366 days. So here we are talking about ordinary year February month. Okay, so we know that in ordinary year there are 28 days in February month. Okay, so option number C is correct, 28 days. Okay, now question number 3. How many days are there in the month of August? Options are A 31 days, B 30 days, C 29 days, and D 28 days. So here again we need to make a fist. Okay, now we have to start counting the month days, month name from this: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, then again count August. So here August is at upper impression, so there are 31 days in August month. Okay, so here option number A is correct, 31 days. Okay, you can count from this left side or right side. Both sides are correct. Okay, now question number 4. How many days are there in the month of December? December month में बेटा कितने days होते हैं? Options are A 30 days, B 29 days, C 7 days, or D 31 days. So here we have first. So let's count: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So again December is at upper impression. So there are 31 days in December month. So option number D is correct, 31 days. Understood? Now question number 5. How many days are there in the month of November? So here again we have 4 options: A 31 days, B 30 days, C 29 days, and D 28 days. And we need to make a fist. So let's start for November month: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. So November is at lower impression. So there are 30 days in November month. Okay. So we will write option number B is correct. Understood, beta? Thank you.